there is a major update for the Osmo Action 6. It can now record in 8K, and that's what I'm doing right now. So if you're watching this video on YouTube, make sure you hit that little cog icon in the bottom right of the video and change it from HD, 720p, 1080p, 4K, change it all the way up to 8K, and you'll be watching a full 8K video shot on this little action camera. And that's what I've been really interested to test. I see a lot of people doing the 8K test, but then uploading a 4K video, which I kind of get. You know, if you film in 8K, yes, you can crop in a little bit more and you should see a little bit more detail. But I want to see what an 8K video looks like in 8K and exported in 8K. So this is what you're watching right now. And enjoy me as I go around Norwich and check out the city in full 8K. One thing I'm noticing on camera, at least, is that the image appears a little bit darker than when you film in 4K. Not sure really the reason for that, but that's one thing I'm noticing here on the screen. Of course, I'll do a little bit more editing when we get back. Looking at the footage again on screen and just through the DJI Nemo app, doesn't look that much better, that much different. I don't think I would notice a big difference in quality. Of course, the resolution should be high, so you should get a little bit more detail. You should be able to crop in a little bit more, but we'll test that in a bit. Now, even though you can film in 8K, should you film in 8K? I think on a camera like this, I don't know if I ever really would, to be honest, because it's a small action camera. It's you know, something where I just don't want the largest files. And I think the 4K quality coming out of this camera is really, really good. And as I say, I haven't seen a massive jump yet between the 4K and the 8K. It's not a big enough jump where I think it's worth kind of like double the size of the files. So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. The video you've seen, would you film, edit and upload in 8K? Would you use it for extra resolution? Let me know.